Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to disable the touch controls on the QCY Buds ANC wireless earbuds. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app, and then we're going to take the earbuds out of your case and make sure that they have been paired to the app prior. So after that, we're going to press device, then select setting, and here you have the touch controls. So you have the ones for the left and the ones for the right. So if you want to disable them, you just go into one of the touch controls and then scroll down to not work. So here you select the not work, and you can do this for every single option. So this option is available on every single option right here, and once you've done that, the options will be saved automatically, the touch controls will be disabled. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.